Morning, everybody. I want to make some syrup, cough syrup. Those still have a throat infection. So I put my pre-exotic honey inside garlic and ginger. And then I get to blend it together to make my own cough syrup. So put that amount for now, and then I grind it. We'll close it. So I put it in a grinder and switch it on. So after grinding, this is what I have. So let me get to open the grinder and see the final result to this. So after grinding completely, this is what I've finally gotten. A mixture of ginger, honey, and garlic, making my own cough syrup. So I pour it in the container. I still feel I need to add some more honey. So I'll scrap out everything, add some more honey, and I keep it for some time. And then I can take 1 tablespoon 3 times a day, and we see how this cold, cough, infection reacts to this. I believe this will work. This is an exotic tip from Exotic. Have a nice day. Thank you.